Well, I don't know how well it's going to work out. We're going to find out momentarily. But I've notched out my leather for bending, and I've applied contact cement. I'm going to let that contact cement get dry before I try to stick it down. Hopefully this is going to work. If not, we'll come up with something else. Where did I put that contact cement? I see a place I missed. I didn't mean to pour it on the table. That's what I was whacking it out with, an X-Acto knife. Alright, I bent this one here down and stuck it. The glue wasn't quite dry. I think I'm going to let the rest of them dry a little better. I'm going to put a row of tacks on there. My tacks will go in that hard oak wood. I think it's going to look good on there. Don't that look Jim Dandy? Yeah, that glue ain't quite dry either, but I stuck it down anyway. Walter's running out of tags. 4 tacks left. 5, 6. Maybe we'll get there. I can buy some more to add more to it later as long as I got it held down. Alright, more than I thought I had. I still got 2.5 tags. I didn't get a half a tag. One's really short. Alright, let's put a half a tag in. Well, it ain't the greatest, but it's on there, my friend. That is an original P. Walpar production. Actually, it came out a little better than I thought it was going to. I definitely got to buy some more tacks before I can do this end. I don't know about you, but I like it. Well, I got a little tinkering done tonight anyway. Peeking through the knot hole with Walter. I need to put me a stencil on there. Walter's rifle wrist.